Okay. Well, you told me to represent our generation, the generation that was able to listen to Marcos Senior's speech.
Oh yeah.
I feel that, well, Marcos Senior has, I would say, more nuanced vocal variety, the ups and downs of his speaking voice, more dramatic intonations. And I noticed that the tendency of Marcos Sr. is more to, well, in the few speeches that I've heard him, it's more in English. So the style of BBM is more, compared to Marcos Sr., I would say it's more subdued. I would consider it Marcos Sr. light.